Hey everyone, welcome back to Double Days Family, where we're all about helping you to save you money. 3 months. That's right, only 3 months is all it took for me to stock up this stockpile behind me. Not only is it saving me tons of money and my family, but the best part is it only needed a cell phone. Let me show you how you could do it too. Now remember, I was able to save up all of these items, this entire stockpile, only using a cell phone. That's right guys, in this day and age, you don't have to use paper coupons. You could achieve these amazing stockpiles with as easy as a click right from your mobile phone or your cell phone, desktop, or even tablet. This will help you to save up for a rainy day or just circumstances that happen to happen. And it's super simple. Here's what you do. So you would just download the mobile app of any coupon one that you would like to use. I am going to open up the Family Dollar app right here, and it's going to bring you to this menu where all the coupons are. See? So you're just going to click that coupon and boom, it sends you right to your account. That easy. And to be able to access your coupons, you're just going to hit that clipped coupon button up at the top, just to verify that your coupons are actually in there before you check out, and they are. So all you're going to do is walk over to the register, either enter your phone number or have the cashier scan this barcode at the top, and that's it. It's linked to your personal account. So my first tip for you guys is to just get started. That's right, get started right now. Download the mobile apps to these companies, whether it's Walgreens, CVS, Family Dollar, Dollar General, and supermarkets do it too, whether it's Kroger, Stop and Shop, Winn-Dixie, whatever the case might be guys, even Publix, they all have free mobile apps. You're just going to download directly onto your cell phone. It's very easy. My second tip is only buy what you need. That's right, I know there's a lot of times that you find really amazing and great deals maybe on something that you wouldn't necessarily buy. My tip to you is don't buy it. I know it sounds crazy, but do you really need like 20 shirts just because they were 50 cents? Honestly guys, you really don't need it, unless of course you're thinking about donating it, maybe giving them to family members, or shopping for the holidays in advance. Then that's a great idea. But otherwise, let's remember that the idea is to save money, not to overspend. So keep that in mind. And my tip number 3. This one is a big one. Make sure that you don't stock up on things that have an expiration date. I know it sounds weird, but a lot of times people stack up on makeup or maybe face products like face creams and things of that nature. Just be careful. These are things that your body does absorb, and if they are expired, this could cause way more harm than good. So always keep that in mind, and maybe stay away from face creams and makeup for sure. After all, your face is only so big. I don't think you need about 100 containers of makeup. Again, this is different if you're going to start giving them away to family members and friends. But honestly, purchasing 50 different shades of foundation or concealer, I mean, do you really have to? I'm just saying. Just keep that in mind. Again, the idea is to save money, not to waste it. I've been a stay-at-home mom now for just over a year, which is fantastic. I love my kids, and I have been able to save so much money even from being at home for our family, to do things that really matter and things that are more important. After all, we live in Florida and I haven't even been to Disney yet, and I am eager to get my family to Disney. So even if it's something like that, you're just trying to save up maybe for a vacation, or maybe you're just trying to save up for a rainy day. Regardless, these are all items that we have to buy no matter what, so why are we paying full price for them, right? After all, most of this toothpaste behind me, you guys know from my videos, I've gotten just about free. I think the most I've ever paid was probably in the beginning stage of my couponing. I might have paid only like $2–3 for them, which is a lot now that I know that toothpaste is one of those things that you should be getting practically for free. So you will pick up a lot of tips and tricks along the way. If you need help finding ways to save money, check out our channel down below, and I assure you that you will end up saving at least $1, $2, $3, $9, hundreds, honestly, before you even know it. So do me a favor, if you like this video and if you're new here, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we do upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos, so make sure that notification bell is turned on. And yeah, guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye, guys.